Get it!
Hey, dude, I got a damn good picture. Look at my homie. That's gonna be a pretty motherfucker when she gets older, boy.
Yeah, that's my little girl there. Uncle G-String.
My homie, boy.
She calls me Uncle
You
G-String.
bust your head over me. She don't let nobody talk no shit about her.
She used to be like that towards me.
Every time me and her mama get to fight, she'll take up for it.
I told Chrissy when I was out there talking to her the other day, I said, that's my big thing. She done turned all them kids against me. You know, I love kids. She said, oh no.
They ain't against you,
She
bro.
said, oh no. She said, you're still her Uncle G.